Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect Stripe to your Stan Store. All right, so first up, open up your Stan Store. It can be on the phone app or here on your computer browser. Okay, once done, go ahead over to the settings right here at the bottom left. Just click on it. Now, once it loads, go to the top and these tabs, just click on payments. Okay, click on it. Now it says here, as you can see, payment methods, and we have Stripe. Okay. So just click on register and there will be a pop-up window. Just select your home country. And once done, just click on create my Stan Stripe account. Wait for it to load. And then the next page, it will just need your email address. Okay. Just enter your email address and once done, hit on submit. Now it's going to need your phone number. Go ahead and enter your phone number. And once done, just hit on submit. Now it says here, there will be a verification code that was sent to your number. Just wait for a verification code and enter that code in here. All right. Once that's done, just wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and select your business type. It could be individual, company, or a non-profit organization. It says here, if you haven't filed the paperwork to register a business entity, then your business type is likely to be individual. So I'm just going to leave it as individual and hit on continue. Now, all you have to do here in this page is just fill in the information that is needed. For example, your legal name, email, birth date, home address, phone number, and SSN. All right. Once everything is done, just hit on continue and follow the simple prompts. And after that, this one will close. You can now go ahead and refresh this page. Refresh. And once done, your Stripe account will be connected under your Stan Store. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.